scene to perform at Los Chavos?
Okay. So, how long did the filming take? The filming initially took a whole month, but preparations and script readings and all that stuff took 2 months. So overall, 3 months. I was there from February and then I went home around April. My favorite scene was I would say the ones in the mountain, because I'm it was my first time to be able to visit a country that has 4 seasons and to be able to experience that of a cold weather is new to me, and I was enjoying shivering. I was enjoying like I was just doing that. And then, getting to see the sights of Cyprus, very, very beautiful sights. So that's one of the things that I'm like very thankful for, grateful for, because you don't get to see these sights every day. When you're in Cyprus, you there's at least for that specific location, you don't it's hard to go to. You really need a private car or someone to drive you up there. But for me, the first time I went there, to the locations in the mountains, I was just amazed. It's just something that you see from a magazine or something. But yes, that's I think one of the things, one of the scenes that one of my favorite scenes to was when we were traveling around